for the LOPC part, the risk ranking in unmitigated risk will be high.
Yeah, 5. You can put 5 multiple fatality. Yeah, multiple fatality. You're right. Because we can say multiple fatality. You're right, Vijay. You're right. Hydro test, we are saying 4C. Right, we are saying WMS, SSC annual. And you have sign boards, warning boards. Warning boards.
Sorry, procedure.
And you have barrication, shape barrication.
Yeah.
And number 7, HSC induction.
It will be a,
Yeah, go ahead, please.
that will be a basic one for everything.
For a hydro test, you have to hydro test calculation.
Upload procedures, yeah, and the shutdown also, overpressure shutdown.
You're right. And overpressure shutdown, huh? You have it?
Yeah, the pumps should have the overpressure shutdown to avoid overpressurization of the equipment. Most of the pumps has it.
Overpressure protection.
Overpressure protection, yeah.
Okay, good. So this is H9 and the last is H10, what Vijay has mentioned, that is a specification for explosive material. That is very important.
Sorry, Chairman.
Yeah.
In restriction R8, in the column B, I think the discussion is not related with this.
Sorry?
R8, column B.
Oh, yeah, correct.
This